Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating the application in the provider console and immediately copying the client ID and client secret. These are mandatory. Once done, add your exact redirect URI and ensure it matches requests, because mismatches block tokens. Make sure to pick the correct grant type, authorization code for server apps and PKCE for mobile or single-page apps, so you balance security and usability. Also set scopes now to limit access and simplify later consent screens. Now implement the authorization flow. Redirect the user to the provider's authorization endpoint with response type equals code, client ID, redirect URI, scope, and a generated state. When the user returns with a code, validate the state to prevent CSRF. Then exchange the code for access and refresh tokens on your backend to keep secrets off the browser. Store tokens securely and prefer short-lived access tokens plus refresh token rotation to reduce risk. Always use HTTPS to protect these exchanges. Finish by using the access token in the authorization. Bearer header for API calls and verify responses for missing scope errors. Once deployed, implement token refresh flows and a logout path that revokes tokens so you don't leave sessions open. If something breaks, first check that the redirect URI exactly matches the registered value, confirm your client ID/secret are correct, ensure scopes requested match expected permissions, and verify server clock skew, because timing issues often cause invalid grant errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.